Welcome to Crypto Miner Consultations, Hosting, and Repairs. And today we have an L3 Plus hashboard here. Now this came in, it has a jumper wire here going from the 12 volts in out to the boost circuit here. So we're going to check it out, put it on the tester. Let's see what it says. It says it has 0 asic. We have 10 volt coming in. I don't know why they bypassed all this. Also missing some capacitors here. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put this boost on here and we're going to take it from 10 volts to 14 volts like it's supposed to. Later we might actually replace the entire boost circuit, but for now this should work. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.